just received this in the mail yesterday, and I was like, I need to film with it. I need to do a look with it ASAP. So that's what it is. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Also, as always, subscribe, comment, like, share, all of the above, and make sure you guys follow me on all of my other social media platforms that I will have listed down below for you guys. That way you can stay updated and stay behind the scenes with me on everything that I do. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, the steps that I took, and how I got this amazing beat glowing face, then make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching.
Alright, you guys, welcome back. So we're going to start off with our P. Louise base, and we're going to put this all over the lid and pat it in with a concealer brush. And we want to pat this, not swipe it. We don't want to move the product, just pat it into the skin. Alright, now we're going to go in with our palette, and this is the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. Oh my gosh, you guys, this palette is beautiful and so freaking pigmented. You are going to see in just a bit. So, I'm going to go in with that shade there. It's called Cranberry, and I'm just going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to pack some product on that brush, as you guys see. And then I'm going to pack it on the lid. I did not set the base. That way the first shadow would just stick directly onto the base. And as you guys see, look at that vibrant cranberry color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this into the shape that I wanted. So I did have it a little bit, a little round at the end, and then I just went straight across on the lid, as you guys can see here, just straight across. And I am a little bit above the crease, but that is completely fine. And then the next shade that I am using is called Tangerine. It's the orange shade in the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that directly on the line of where that shape is. So you guys are going to see in just a bit. So right there, I'm just going to lightly, literally lightly, with the least amount of pressure, and just pack and blend in circular motions. That way it can diffuse out and blend out that harsh line. Okay, now we're gonna go with the shade Bear, and it's called Berries. It's a beautiful, I would say, eggplant shade, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and into the crease, just to deepen it up a little bit better and have a nice smoky transition. Okay, so the next step here is we're going to cut our crease. So I'm going to take that P. Louise base again, and I'm going very far out in the inner corner, just because I want it to be a very open space to make the eyes look a lot bigger. And I'm only going a third of a way. I'm not doing a full cut crease. I'm only going a third away. I'm gonna, spread that out on the lid, And then we're going to take that berry shade again along with cranberry and mix those two together to further blend out the end part of that cut crease. That way it's a lot more seamless and blended. And then these two shades here I mixed together. That's Old Banana and Cappuccino. I'm using those two shades for the lid. Old Banana is like a very bright yellow gold, and I kind of want it to be a little bit more of a medium tone gold, so I went ahead and mixed Cappuccino with it. That way it can give me the perfect gold shade. As you guys see here, very pigmented. These shimmer shades I did not have to spray at all. I literally just packed them on the brush and patted on my lid, and amazing, you guys. Like literally amazing. Okay, so we're going to take a step away from the eyes and we're going to go into the skin. So I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I'm using the shade 310 Sun Beige. And before I go ahead and do my foundation, I use my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Was it the mattifying? No, it was the Pore Filling Primer. I put that on my face first before going in with the foundation. And then to contour my face, I went ahead and used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick in the shade Chestnut, just to kind of give it that bronzy feel. And then Truffle to give it that deep contour shade to like really chisel out my cheeks. And then for concealer, I use my Bobbi Brown Instant Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Sands. And then I blend all that out. And I'm just gonna give you guys like the price, the product list real quick. That way you guys can just watch the rest. I did use the the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder and the pressed powder. I use the translucent setting powder and the medium pressed powder for my face. For bronzer, I use my Benefit Hoola bronzer. You guys are going to see me use that. I also use a really old e.l.f. blush in Cabo Cabana. And then for highlight, I went ahead and used my Jouer Cosmetics Rose Gold highlight. And then for lips, I use my Colourpop and Makeup Shayla lipstick in Ouueee, and I put the Dose of Colors Undressed gloss on top. I feel like that's everything. If I forgot, just make sure you guys hit the description down below. That way you can get the full product list of everything I did use. Lashes are Cocoa Lashes from Cocoa Lashes in Honey Bee. And I think that's it, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I do plan on doing a lot more fun, creative looks for you guys. So please stay tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Also, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.